Hello everyone and welcome to another market analysis video here at ROI Forecast. Today we are going to have a look at AMD Micro Devices Incorporation, which is a stock based on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange. And obviously, for those who don't know already, AMD it's a manufacturing company that produces computer chips, graphic cards, and so on and so forth. So it's based on tech, as you know, that's why it's part of NASDAQ. So we are going to have a look at a stock analysis forecast over here from the monthly time frame down into all the way to the 4-hourly, so we can have a look at what we can expect next. So first and foremost, you can see that the stock price of AMD has risen significantly over the last couple of months. And obviously this represents the big innovation we are seeing generally over the tech sector, because we are moving towards more technological advancement overall. So looking at the monthly time frame, of course, the market is bullish. And then if we zoom in down to the weekly and daily, we are going to see that we are within a cycle from the October over here. This is October 2022. And we are trading to the upside since then. Looking at this specific structure, it's still incomplete. We still need to make at least one more cycle to the upside to break above the highs from March 2024. And then zooming into the daily time frame, we can see as well that we have got a pullback recently from March into April. And at the moment, the market is looking that is starting a new bullish cycle to the upside. So it should be something similar to this one, but in a smaller scale in this case. So what we can expect from this market overall, the AMD stock price action over here. After this pullback, we should see a target to the upside. Minimum target to the upside, as always, will be our inverse Fibonacci retracement areas of 1.236 and 1.618. So the market will be looking at the price target between 248 to 281. Of course, nothing says that it cannot break higher. So overall targets, I would say up to the 300 area is possible, between 250 to 300. And from there, the market later on could see a bigger, let's say, retracement. But for the time being, we will focus on this cycle to the upside and explain what we can see next. So very likely over here, this is the first reaction higher. If we go back now down to the 4-hour time frame, the recent lows from 1st of May over here, in our view, are a major pivot for this cycle to the upside over here. And the market, what should be doing next? Ideally, we will need to see in the 4-hour time frame a small pullback. It's possible for another push higher. This week will complete the first move from the 1st of May. Then at some moment, we should be able to see some correction. How big the correction will be, of course, we cannot predict that at the moment. And any corrections per se, they are always difficult to predict the magnitude. So this is why when you have a bullish market, you just anticipate before you look for the next trading opportunity. So another high will be likely after a small pullback. Then a bigger pullback is likely like that. And then ideally, the market should continue higher, leading into the summer and fall, into fall time. So it should break the highs from March over here. And the minimum targets, as we have said, will be 248 to 300 area. And from there, we will be finishing later on a bigger cycle, which is the one we have from October 2022. And once we have finished that bigger cycle, later on, we will see a bigger pullback in the weekly and monthly time frame at least. So for the time being, the market should still remain bullish, and any pullback should find support and more buyers to break the highs from March 2024. So that's our bias and view for AMD. If you like the video, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe so you never miss any of our videos. We usually post every week on the weekend for a weekly market forecast video, and we usually post one video during the midweek, whether it's a market update or an individual market. For instance, this week we have uploaded about AMD. This will be our view in the daily and 4-hour time frame leading into the summer. We should start this accumulation to the upside to break these highs, and ideally this cycle from 1st of May could last any time between 3 to 4 months in time frame before the market give us a bigger reaction or correction later down the line. So still bullish AMD. We are looking to break the highs, so that's our view. And once again, guys, we also have a service for those who want to have professional analysis and more detailed analysis, of course. You can check us out with the link in the description through Buy Me a Coffee service page. We do have a standard and premium plan. Of course, if you are serious about trading, you should go with the premium plan because it gives you access to more exclusive market updates, such as the order flow, and as well as 4 daily live sessions between Monday to Thursday with full access to the recorded session later as well. And on top of that, you will also gain access to our personal trade recommendations, which we always provide to the members. And this should help you to become overall a better trader in general. If you have any questions, leave us a comment or send us an email at support@roiforecast.com, and we will get back to you within the day. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video for the weekend market update.